For decades, progress in technology has followed a simple rule: smaller, faster, more efficient. Today, we've reached a milestone that could redefine computing for the next decade. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, has officially entered mass production of 2-nanometer chips. This is not just another incremental upgrade. This is a foundational shift that will impact AI, smartphones, data centers, gaming, autonomous vehicles, and national tech strategy. In this video, we'll break down what 2-nanometer really means, why it matters, and how it will affect your devices and your career sooner than you think. Let's start simple. A nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. At this scale, we're operating just a few atoms wide. When we say 2-nanometers, we're not talking about the physical size of a transistor anymore. We're talking about a manufacturing node, a generational leap in how densely and efficiently transistors are packed onto silicon. Compared to today's mainstream 3nm chips, 2-nanometer technology delivers up to 15% more performance, up to 30% better power efficiency, significantly higher transistor density. For beginners, this means faster devices with longer battery life. For professionals, it means higher compute per watt, which is now the most important metric in modern computing. Here's why 2-nanometers is different. Moore's law, the idea that transistor density doubles every 2 years, has been slowing for over a decade. Each new node is harder, more expensive, and more complex than the last. At 2nm, TSMC is introducing Gate-All-Around (GAA) transistor architecture, replacing the FinFET design that powered chips for nearly 15 years. This new structure improves control over electrical current, reduces leakage, enables continued scaling beyond what many experts thought possible. In short, 2nanometers extends the life of silicon itself. This is not a refinement. This is survival-level innovation for the semiconductor industry. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind this shift. Modern AI models are not limited by software. They are limited by power, heat, and bandwidth. 2nanometer chips directly address all three. For data centers, lower power consumption means massive cost savings. Higher density means more AI workloads per rack. Reduced heat means more sustainable scaling. For edge AI, smartphones, wearables, and cars gain on-device intelligence. Less reliance on cloud processing. Faster, more private AI experiences. This node will power the next generation of AI accelerators, from consumer devices to enterprise-scale systems. Let's make this practical. Over the next 2 to 3 years, 2nanometer chips will begin appearing in flagship smartphones, laptops and tablets, gaming consoles, high-performance desktops. Users will notice all-day battery life becoming standard instant AI features running locally, better thermal performance under heavy workloads. This is the point where hardware finally catches up to modern software demands. Your device won't just be faster, it will feel smarter, quieter, and more efficient. There's a larger story here. Advanced semiconductor manufacturing is now a strategic national asset. With the 2nanometer production, TSMC further solidifies its global leadership. Competition intensifies with Samsung and Intel. Governments increase investments in domestic chip manufacturing. This node will shape AI dominance, economic competitiveness, national security strategies. Semiconductors are no longer just technology. They are infrastructure. If you work in tech, this matters to your future. CIDR accelerates demand for AI engineers, hardware-software optimization specialists, semiconductor design talent, power-efficient computing expertise, understanding compute efficiency, parallelism, and hardware-aware software design is no longer optional. This is where the industry is heading. The move to 2nanometer chips is not hype. It is one of the most important technological transitions of this decade. It powers the future of AI. It extends the limits of silicon. And it reshapes how every device we use will function. This is the foundation for what comes next. And now you know exactly why it matters.